How to use constraints in Blender. First of all, go to the Properties panel and click on the Constraints tab, which looks like a chain icon. This is where you will manage all constraints for your selected object. Now, click the Add Object Constraints button to see a list of available constraints. These include copy location, copy rotation, track to, limit distance, and many more. Next, let's say you choose the copy location constraint. After selecting it, you will see a target field with a color picker. Click the eyedropper and choose the object you want this one to follow. Once the target is set, the object will copy its location. You can choose to copy only a specific axis by checking or unchecking the X, Y, or Z boxes. Another useful one is track to. Add this to a camera or spotlight, choose the target object, and now your camera will always point at it. You can adjust the up and track axis to fit your scene orientation. Next, you will notice invert options next to each axis. These let you flip the direction of the copy transformation. Below that, the offset option allows your object to maintain its original position while still copying the movement of the target. There's also a drop-down labeled Target Honor. This defines which coordinate space the constraint uses. Keeping both on world space is common, but you can change this for more advanced control depending on your scene. Finally, at the bottom, you will find the influence slider. This controls how strongly the constraint affects the object. You can animate this slider to gradually apply or remove a constraint during an animation. And that's it. Now you know how to use constraints in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.